5:40 p.m., 75 degrees, Medina. Close to Brunswick, outskirts of Medina. My sister Carrie's place. Yesterday the farmers cut the hay. Today they're baling it up. So there's these rows of cut hay, and one tractor's baling them up into squares, and then this other tractor is taking the bales and wrapping plastic around them. Pretty cool operation. Earlier there was a bunch of buzzards, 100 buzzards, because once they cut, the tractors kill a lot of critters, a lot of animals while they're cutting the hay, while they're harvesting the hay. So the buzzards come and eat the fresh kill. "75 degrees and sunny, beautiful." Earlier there was some chemtrails, but now it's perfect. Clear, sunny, 75, mid-September. September 18th, 2021, Medina County. The farm behind my sister's house. My dad, if he was around still, he'd get a kick out of watching these farmers cut and bale up the hay. The life of a farmer. It's like a big dude running that tractor. Oh yeah, big dude. So this tractor just picked up a bunch of the hay, turned it into a bale, and then he'll drop it. This other tractor will pick it up and wrap plastic around it. And then they'll come by and pick up the plastic bales. So hay has minerals. That'll be used for feed. The difference, I believe, between the hay and the straw is the straw is just like a waste. You'll use it for grass, starting grass, or putting on a wagon for like hay rides, or just stacking up and putting pumpkins on, like at a festival or something. But that's straw. The hay is a feed. So this is a hay. Has minerals. It's being used for the animals, horses and others. So they actually have 3 tractors out here working right now. One's baling up the hay, and the other is wrapping it with plastic, and the other one is picking the plastic wrapped bales up. Way back there is the one picking up the plastic bales. Plane. So, got quite a neat baling operation going on with the hay here. Medina County, Ohio, mid-September. 3 tractor operation baling up the hay after cutting it yesterday. Pretty smooth, pretty cool. Right now I don't see any of the buzzards, but earlier before the farmers came, they were flying. They were in the field too. A couple of them, I seen them down in the field, trying to get the fresh kill from the tractors, killing the animals while, like I said, while harvesting yesterday.
Go back.
Yeah, here comes a pickup truck with a wagon. He'll be picking up the plastic Or she, I think it was a woman I seen earlier. She'll be getting the plastic wrapped hay bales put on the trailer she's towing in the pickup and take them somewhere. Yep, this tractor's ready to start putting some of the bales on the trailer.